In this video I will show you how to view recently watched reels on Instagram. But before you start with this video, remember that if it works for you, you can leave me a like and subscribe. Now yes, let's start with the video. The first thing we will do is get on Instagram, then we will get into reels. And as you can see I am going down, however to see a reel it will not be saved. The way for us to see reels again that we saw before is to leave our like in those reels that we liked. In this way we prioritize that these reels are saved in our history. Later, to see our saved reels, we must go to our Instagram profile. We will select the three stripes at the top, and in this window we will select your activity. Then we will select likes, and here we will get both the reels that we liked as well as publications and videos of our friends. This would be the way to be able to see our reel history in a very simple way. If this video works for you, remember to leave me a like and subscribe. My name is Anxiety7U7X Tutorials, and see you until the next video.